Good evening, everybody. Okay, so we've got the comments for this evening. I think we finished with the last one from Ronan, who was watching the live streams. Okay, so this one's Katya. I think it's C, the answer. That's mean. It's a subject. Okay, so yes, answer C is correct because in C, the whom is in the place of the subject. So the right answer, Katia. Well done. So let's see. I think the answer's C. That's because it's a subject. Okay, a mainline train. Main was definitely the answer to this as well. So well done, Katia. Okay, Sheed. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for all your comments, Sheed. Keep them coming, and I will keep commenting on them. And Osital, thanks very much for watching Straight Jacket. Count Beauty. A vitamin course is a good prophylactic to strengthen the immune system after winter. Good English. I had a double-sided jacket, but I never was a turncoat. Okay, that's very good. The jacket had two colours, red and black. I used the red side for fine weather and the black was just for grey or rainy days. That's good because the black also absorbs the heat. Okay, Ossie Tally's been watching Dither. I'm dithering, I don't know what to do. I'm between two things. Thanks for watching, Ossie. And Count. I consider fastidiousness as a positive feature. As we know, the devil is in the details. I think you're quite right, but sometimes people go over the top, and that's when it becomes problematic. His fashion statement adds an emphasis to his brisk and harsh demeanour. So, adds emphasis. Yeah, EMPHASIS, and uncountable. His fashion statements adds emphasis to his brisk and harsh demeanour. I like these brisk and harsh demeanour. Good work, Count. And Francisco, good evening. Henceforth, I'm going to take things more relaxed. Okay, no, relaxed. Relaxedly, L-Y, because you're taking things, therefore it needs the L-Y. Okay, the next four are by Louise Stats. Okay, she's answered four different quizzes, yeah? Aside from the main style, dress honourably. So I think it was honour, aside, style, and main. So you see, aside from the main style, aside, honourably. Very good, Louise, I like it. Okay, Count Beauty, mendacious. All mendacious people have wicked minds and profound imaginations. Good English. His mendacity is beyond any audacity. I love that. That's really good. I love the alliteration with acity, audacity, dacity. That's really good. His mendacity is beyond any audacity. Good writing. Well done. Randolph Learning. Thank you, sir. Good teacher. Best of luck from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. So, hi, Randolph. And Count, your channel is undoubtedly a trove for English learners. Good English, Count. No mistake so far. Okay, well, maybe that an emphasis. Okay, Mohammed Ahmed. Thanks. Thanks for watching Insulate or Isolate. And Count. Fear straitjackets rational thinking. That's a very good little sentence. I love it. And can you tell us the formality scale, prompt. As I commented here, 5. It's completely neutral. And Natalia Morozova. He's a treasure trove of anecdotes. Thanks for your video. So, glad you like them. Thanks for watching. And Mohammed. Okay, teeter. To teeter, about to fall. Very useful one to be used in many different fields. The company is teetering on the bank of being totally bleeding money. Okay, so this last bit. The company is teetering on the brink of being bankrupt. The company is teetering on the brink of bleeding money. Yeah? Okay, so just that last little bit. Mohammed, Ukraine is in a precarious position right now due to the war that's on the brink of happening. This one's good English, precarious, unsafe situation. Manji, hi there. I've been rearing a litter of cats for a long period of time, and their unconditional love and gratitude will be etched in my heart forever. On the other hand, my failure in saving some of my feline friends' lives will go on haunting me as an etching nightmare till the end of my life. Okay, an etching nightmare doesn't quite work. As a nightmare etched on my mind. Yeah? Etched on my mind. As a nightmare etched on my mind till the end of my life. Apart from that, that's very good English, Manji. Thank you. And, okay, so we've got VG saying hello, people, and Akshat says hello, and Victor Gabriel says I hope you're well, and Akshat says she, I think it's a she, I'm not sure, is fine. So, good evening, VG, great to have you. Don't ever let your background militate against your future. Very good, VG. The government of some countries, I would probably say the governments of some countries, and their laws militate against some people's rights. Yeah, it's very common. And Akshat, aloofness of different social units in a country militates against the development of the country. Good, Akshat, good English. To militate oneself for better... Okay, militate oneself to better achieve personal goals. Yeah? Okay? So, to militate oneself to better achieve personal goals. That's good, Sherwin. And Akshat, English is one of the most popular languages around the world, and if not learnt to be spoken fluently, it could militate against your odds of having a successful career. Okay, just this, and if not learnt to be spoken fluently, I would probably say if you and if you can't speak fluently, yeah, and if you don't learn to speak fluently, and if not spoken fluently. Yes, English is one of the most popular languages around the world, and if not spoken fluently, it could militate against your odds, I like this word, of having a successful career. Good, Akshat. Your channel is hands down the trove of knowledge concerning the English language. Okay, the. Well, you could use the here. It's the one and only. I think probably more likely, though, a trove of knowledge, because there are lots of others. Sherwin. Hi there, Sherwin. The variety in chemistry has imbalanced the militating effects of today's ammo, making caliber size highly subjective. The variety in chemistry. I would probably say the variation in chemistry, or variation in chemistry, has imbalanced the militating effects of today's ammo, making caliber size highly subjective. Fine. And Antonio Vargas, Marin Vargas, love it. Question: could rain splutter out? Yeah, rain could definitely splutter out. It was raining so hard, but as the evening approached, the rain spluttered out. That would do very nicely. Yeah, I don't think that would be a problem at all. Yeah? Okay, let me continue. So, Akshat, she wanted to pursue her studies abroad, but her poor background militated against her dreams. Good English, Akshat. Stunt. And Salome says, what? Okay, count. Negotiations with terrorists militate preventive measures and make grounds for future terrorist acts. So, I think negotiations with terrorists militate against preventive measures and make grounds for future terrorist acts. Okay, Mohammed. All in all, it's often used like this in poker, parley and parley. But parley is a new word to me. I'm going to use it henceforth. Good English, Mohammed. And Sean, he's on about Eileen Gu again. The shady nature of Eileen Gu's representation of China in the Beijing Olympics 2022 will militate against the intended glory of the 2 golds and 1 silver that she won. I would lose the word intended. Will militate against the glory of the 2 golds and 1 silver that she won. Okay, Sean. And Count Beauty, thank you for your comments and corrections. I've just fathomed, I like that word, I've just fathomed out how these comments and questions video work. I did not have time to watch them earlier. It's a bit of a pain, I think, having to scroll through to find out where your comments were, and I wish I could find a solution to that. If there's anyone out there who's got a brilliant idea of an easy way for me to be able to let people know where their comments are, what time, I'd be very grateful. But the idea of going through the video and writing them one by one, it could take me longer than making the video. Okay, Manji. In spite of having an impeccable resume, the candidate couldn't get the job. His haughty demeanour might have militated against him. Good English, Manji. Love it. And Hussein Amak. Wow, what a wonderful channel. Thank you, sir. So, thank you, Hussein. Yeah? Okay, so nice of you, definitely. Count Beauty, of course my English is much better than 4 years ago. I would probably say I made my first comment on the channel in December 2017. But that's very good, you've come a long way. So, tangible. What about the formality of tangible? I think I'm going to give it a 6 formality. Okay, it's a little bit on the formal side. Okay, slow sunset vibes. I'm sorry for not giving you a shout out. So, what does mental mean? I've seen this expression quite frequently in a British song I've been listening to, but I cannot fathom the meaning. Okay, if somebody is mental, they're crazy. Yeah, but they use it in lots of different ways. This bloke is totally mental. Yeah, the party we went to the other day was mental, was fantastic, was incredible. It was just insanely good. Yeah. Okay, so mental normally has the idea of insanity. Yeah. He ran like mental to catch the bus, like a madman. Okay, and slow sunset vibes. Sorry for another facile question. No, slow sunset. No questions are facile. The only facile questions are the ones you don't ask. Because if you ask, it's because you don't know. What about meaty? I cannot find this word in the Cambridge Dictionary. Well, the only meaning I can imagine for meady is from mead. So this tastes very meady. Mead is a type of alcoholic drink that you make from fermenting honey. Yeah, I don't really like it. It's terribly sweet. It's sickly sweet. Yeah, so I think if something tastes meady, it tastes incredibly sweet. Yeah, maybe so sweet that it cloys. CLOY. Okay, Patricia, thanks for the great video. I'll try to explain the bird watcher thing. She watches birds, discovers Wonder Woman or any other person, so continues with his bird watching, plus perhaps dates Wonder Woman. The two activities are not incompatible. Win-win. You win with the birds, you win with Wonder Woman. Like killing 2 birds with 1 activity. You don't have to make a choice. Another example, a reversible shawl you have, 2 for the price of 1. You can use it as a tablecloth, as a curtain, 6 ways in all, double duty or more. Sweet dreams, Alex. I think I'll go to bed now. So, night night, sweet dreams, take care. And Akshat. In this city, people are so caught up with their lifestyles that they don't even care about others. So many people live all by themselves and sometimes even die. I might add the word alone there. Wow, that's sad. And worse, I would probably say, and what is worse is, nobody in their neighbourhood or none of their neighbours realise it until their bodies begin to decompose and give off a foul smell. There is a regional map online that shows residents that had some deaths in them at some point with yellow dots. So wait a second. There is this good regional map online that shows residences. A residence is the place where you live, with CE, residence, that had some deaths in them at some point with yellow dots. Such houses are sold at cheaper rates because of their lesser demands, because of the lesser demand among people, as nobody would like to live in a house that somebody died in, unless it's an emergency. Property dealers try to trick people who have recently shifted in the city, moved is a better word, have moved house in the city, into buying such houses by not telling them its history. That's a really good piece of writing, Akshat. I'm just going to renew. Good work, Akshat. Normally we say to move house. A residence is the place where you live. So this one's been reasonably short. So, okay, there's some more here, definitely. So his anger militates against him getting the job. Good English, Mannequin. His bad action can militate against him earning people's trust. Good. Do not let your past militate you from being successful. Don't let your past militate against your success. His awful demeanour can militate his future success. Good, I like this one. Okay, and Akshat. Celebrated across different cultures on different days and with different names, this festival is believed to be the day when your ancestors who died and left this world come back to spend some time with us. Okay, in European countries, this is the 1st of November, All Saints' Day, the day after Halloween. People celebrate the time by making some delicious food and owe it to their ancestors before digging in. And owe it and dedicate it, and thank their ancestors before digging in. Some also visit the graves of their ancestors. In many cultures, this festival is spread over a week. So that was pretty good. And let's just have a final look, but there's probably no more. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Ooh, one more. Hello, sir. Can I use the phrasal verb drum out? He was drummed out of his job. Yes, you can. That's very good indeed. So, enough. Take care, everybody, and sleep well, and I will be back tomorrow with more. Bye for now.